This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Anton Lennartsson. Mobile home located on 1.07 acres. Needs some TLC. Easy access to Crystal River, shopping, dining, fishing, boating, hiking. Just a few miles to neighborhood boat ramps for fresh or saltwater fishing with direct Gulf access as well as the Withlacoochee River. Close to hospital and you have a short drive to downtown Crystal River, the home of the manatees, Hunter Springs Beach, shops, restaurants, or kayaking/paddleboarding in Kings Bay and so much more. For more information, review the details below.